In this concept, one soil note concept is there. What is soil note concept? One cut note. Earlier it was not like that. One single cut means soil note. It can be paid by any bank and at any counter of Reserve Bank of India without any reduction of money. One cut note, even through number, through anywhere. You see all these notes. The cut is like this, perpendicular, horizontal, vertical, but you get full value for that. That is one aspect. Second is mutilated note. What is mutilated note? Means there are more than two pieces or portion is missing. Suppose a note is there. There are two full cut is there. Some portion is missing. We call it is mutilated note. There the rule is two parts. One is up to 20 and other is above 50, above 20. So like this, see, up to 20 denomination, the rule is that if there is, there 50% of note is available on a single piece, full value. That means you see this note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Sorry, because this actually should come here. If no number is there, no problem. If this area, if this part of the note carries 50%, you get full value. Here, see earlier reject note, no numbers, but now full value. Here also, see, this number is missing. One more thing. This we suffix 53C, we take it as 1 digit. There should be minimum 4 digit. So 1, 2, 3 only, note cannot be passed. It will be reject value. Here also see 2, 3 only. Minimum 4 digit should be earlier rule I am telling. Now no what is that need for number, just area of the note. This is having more than 50% full value, more than 50% full value. How then will identify 50% note? इसके लिए we have one system is there, one stencil. In issue department, one glass stencil is there like this. Stencil having squares, is a graphical method. Suppose you are having a cut note. You place the stencil on the cut note. The note is like this. So the note is like this. Suppose the cut is like this, something like this. They will count the squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. 1, 4 square, 3, 4 square count as 1 square. The number of squares we count, that way we identify. Suppose any confusion is there, whether it is 50% or not, then we can use a stencil in the issue department. Then we say for 1 rupee note, 31 squares are there, full value. 2 rupee, 34. 5 rupee, 38. And 10 rupee, 44, 47 like that. So number of squares, if it is there, you will get full value for that. Full value. Now, one important thing, there is no half value up to 20. Earlier, there was half value, now no half value. This you see, all these notes, less than 50% area is there, no half value for this. Now, higher denomination, the rule is 65% above, full value. So this note, see, this area is more than 65%, so you're getting full value for that note. So the number of squares should be more than 70 for 50. Now 100, again, see, this piece, this single piece is having more than 65% full value. So number of squares is 75 for 100. And 500, it is 80. See, earlier it was a half value note because only 2 digits here. But now, no botheration about number. It is a full value note now. And here also, it is a full value note because this area is more than 65%. Then coming to half value. Half value, the rule is more than 40%, less than 65. If it is more than 40 and less than 65, half value is there. So here you see, this both the numbers are not there. Still you get 25 rupees because this piece is more than 40%, less than 65%. Like this, 100, like this. See, earlier, not same thing. See here, this portion is more than 40%, less than 65, half value. And this one also. And here you see, it's a very interesting thing. It is a reject note. Why? Because the 4 square, 25, 25, 25, 25, no chance. So multiple cut note will be rejected. New system. And here also see, no note is more than 40%. Why this? Because one small incident is there in Kanpur, and just explain that. So there what they happen, they take 500 rupee note and cut it into some seven cuts and take one piece each and make another one note. So with 5 or 6 note, they make one more note. So just to avoid that, we introduce this system. Okay. And this one you see, again, this was half value 50, 100 rupees. Because small portion missing, more than 40%, 50 rupees, more than 40%, 50 rupees, like that. And here also, mismatch note. Earlier, no value. Now we get full value because this is more than 40%, so 50 rupees. This side is more than 40%, 50 rupees, so full value.